Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the clips and the phone. This is critical. Put the clips in their case, then open the lid to wake them. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth and location because many phones require location to scan for devices. Once done, keep the phone within 1 meter of the open case. This maintains a strong signal for pairing. If your clips have a pairing button, press and hold it for 3-5 seconds. Listen for the tone that confirms they entered pairing mode. On your phone, go straight to Bluetooth settings and scan. Do not use quick toggles that sometimes skip discovery. When you see Noise Air or a similar model name, tap it. Your phone initiates a secure pairing handshake. You may see a numeric code or a confirmation prompt. Accept it and allow any requested permissions for calls and media. Once paired, the phone will show connected status. Make sure both left and right clips show audio channels. If only one connects, proceed to the next repair step. Now test audio by playing a track and making a quick call. You need to verify stereo output and microphone function. If one clip fails to produce sound, put both back in the case and close the lid for 10 seconds, then reopen to force reconnection. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the clips. This clears stale pairings and often fixes handshake errors. One key troubleshooting tip. If the phone cannot find the clips, turn Bluetooth off for 10 seconds, then back on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.